pigs are there which are there in the house, and the wolf keeps on coming at the door, and he disguises himself every now and he knocks the door, but the pig's mother tell him not to open the door. But then when he disguises and he comes, and then the pigs open the door and they get eaten up. So
Actually वो story नहीं है.
something that
Yeah. So so once there were 3 little pigs. Look at this. So they one fine day they said कि चलो हम लोग अपना अपना घर बांधते हैं. We should settle down. बहुत घूम लिया, बहुत सब मस्ती कर लिया. We should settle down. The first pig he builds a house of a straw and immediately बन जाता है straw का house and वो अभी आराम कर रहा है कि चलो अभी मेरा काम हो गया, मेरा जो work at hand है वो खत्म हो गया. I'll rest. The second pig, while unlike the first pig, he thought of some predictability. He thought, okay, but storm आ जाएगा, कुछ आ जाएगा. Straw is not a good option. Let me build a house of a stick. So he builds that house of a stick, so that now at least I can stay and I can stay here. The third pig, he had more predictability. He thought of what can be the other dangers, and what he did was he built a house of bricks. So one day a wolf comes, he knocks at the door of the first pig. Please let me in. तो ना बोलता है तो जोर से फूक मारता है. Like he blows and the straw house it shatters and the wolf eats the first pig. Goes to the second pig again. The house was of stick. The wolf had to try a bit harder, but again he blows and the house breaks and he eats the second. But when he goes to the third pig, he tries to blow, but the house is not moving because it's built of brick. So again, this small story is telling you about the thing that we were trying to do. Like in our daily life, in our HR, there are wolves. So in this story, wolf came once in a while without notice. Same way in our situations, situation arises in like wolf. Attrition हो गया, कुछ something happened. There is some ops is struggling with something or the other. किसी का FNF नहीं हुआ. Any of all those things are like wolf, right? But what we need to learn from the third pig is, while we are solving the solution that we do, and what even Ankur was mentioning, if we just solve the problem right now कि मेरे को जल्दी से solve करना है, just tell कि talk to me, ये इससे बात कर ले, solve it right now, मेरा अभी का काम easy हो जाएगा. That would not be a predictable solution. Even if you solve it for a 1 month thing, it will not be sustainable, right? Again, while it is sustainable, what the third pig did was, the differentiator is scalability. So without predictability you can't have sustainability, and without sustainability you can't have scalability. So what I would also urge from this story to all of you is, when you guys are also facing different wolves, think about what would be the long-term predictive dangers that we can have, and again think about like the third pig. There could be wind. Is it sustainable? Yeah. What if there is a wolf comes in? What if there is something else? What if 4 people leaves? What if 2 people leaves? Like we have in certain states where people live in group. So we need to think about all those things in HR perspective, or in our day-to-day life. And